Come on. Come on. Come on.
Hey, Lao Wang, can you come on? Look, my car has been hit.
Oh, you are fine. Do you have toothpaste on the car?
Why do you use toothpaste?
It contains abrasive. This kind of scratches that do not damage the primer only needs to use toothpaste. It can be easily repaired with a gentle wipe.
Ah, Tata.
This miraculous toothpaste can not only repair scratches, it has many uses in the car. Listen carefully. The old adhesive stamp of the annual inspection mark on the first windshield is difficult to remove. We just need to put toothpaste on the towel, then wipe back and forth at the offset printing area to remove the offset printing easily. Second, the wiper blade cannot clean the glass. We just need to squeeze the toothpaste onto the rubber strip of the wiper blade, then apply it evenly by hand. The glass will be clean and bright. The lens of this reversing mirror easily drifts on rainy days. It affects driving and vision, and is very unsafe. We just need to apply toothpaste to the lens. Then wipe it with a towel. So there will be no water drops on the lens. See? There is not a drop of water. Is it especially practical? Pay attention to me, and learn something about cars every day.